Oh, I'm sorry. I must have forgotten to mute my phone. I don't know if you remember back in 2020, the United States Supreme Court had oral arguments. Similar situation happened. Supreme Court had oral arguments, and one of the justices forgot to, I don't know, maybe they didn't mute their Zoom video or Google Meets or whatever they were using, whatever apparatus they were using, or they just didn't know what they were doing, and they flushed the toilet while oral arguments were going on. That was a flush heard around the world. It's good to know back in 2020, though, they were able to flush leaks. It's going to be really difficult for them to flush the leak that's going on right now in regards to the 1971 opinion known as Roe versus Wade being overturned. I don't care what you think about Roe versus Wade, and I don't want you to care about what I think about it, and I don't care what you would think that I think about it. I'm not going to get into the substance about Roe versus Wade and whether it's going to be overturned, whether it's on solid foundation or any of that stuff. People have been debating. I mean, you debate this stuff from high school, okay? And everybody has their opinion on it, okay? And then when you get to college, you debate it some more and write some very creative essays about it. And then when you get to law school, you break it down and, issue and analyze and based on the rule and all that stuff. And then when you're a lawyer, I guess if you're going in front of the Supreme Court or different courts, you argue the different interests and how they're narrowly tailored and blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to get into all of that. What I am going to get into is people leaking classified information. This is a serious situation in any level of the government or institutions. But when you're dealing with the U.S. Supreme Court, the highest court in the land, this could have it was short of a hack. And I know everybody likes to blame the Russians or some dude in some boiler room in India or something. But short of any of that kind of stuff, the likelihood is this thing got leaked by somebody, a judge, could have been a law clerk, or somebody with some serious credentials, unless they were rather lackadaisically with some friends or family members or something like that, and those people had access to their computer, or they're showing off, oh, look at this, look how important I am, I'm working on this this draft, and then some overzealous idiot decided to leak this information. That's it, regardless of what you may think of the opinion or whatever, you are a piece of garbage if you leak confidential information such as this whether it's for your own purpose or whether you want to feel important or whatever you're trying to do, because it sacrifices the legal system. And even if you sacrifice institutions, it sacrifices the real integrity of the institutions as we see them today. And it may be something you don't agree with now, and you think by leaking it, the politics will help you. But later on, another time, it could be something that you may agree with. And if that gets leaked, then the politics then can work against you. So either way, nobody wins when stuff is leaked. You just have some bozo who wanted to feel important or felt that they were doing something great for the world, and now they've screwed everything up. And the country, which is already right now, things haven't been good lately, let's admit it. But this makes everything look like the American legal system right now is in shambles. It's in disarray, and it's pie in the face. And again, like I said, whoever did this needs to be prosecuted to the highest extent of the law. You are not doing any sort of service to anybody. You are not important. You shouldn't be patting yourself on the back with your overzealous goosebumps. You're a piece of garbage. You should be prosecuted to the highest extent of the law. Thank you.